Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful snowflake for Christmas. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get into the video. So for this snowflake I'm going to use a 3 mm hook and this cotton yarn which has a slight shine. Now first I'm going to wrap this yarn around my index finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times I'm wrapping this yarn around my index finger. So this is how it looks like. Now put the hook into this and just make a single crochet stitch to secure this circle you just made. Now I'm going to make a few more single crochet stitches until this round is complete, until we reach the end of this. So 2, 3, 4, 13, 14. So it might take 14 to 15 stitches to reach there. Now I'm going to just make a slip stitch over here. Go into this, the first single crochet you did, get into that stitch like that and make a slip stitch like that. So now we have this ring. So this is the first step. Around that circle we made, we just created 14 single crochet stitches. Now we are going to make a puff stitch. Just pull this to this height approximately, then yarn over, put your hook into the circle, pull the yarn one time, do similarly 4 times, 2, 3, 4. Now after doing this, just hold this yarn, this part of it. This is slightly tricky, so just grab this yarn just like you do in puff stitch and just insert your finger into this place so that it goes all the way like that, all the way like that, but insert into this where you inserted your finger and make a single crochet there. That is what makes this stitch secure. So after this, just make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains and then single crochet into this single crochet we did. We started off with a single crochet securing this, right? So into that single crochet you just have to do this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains once again, and into the same space you will have to do another single crochet. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So 4 chains, single crochet, 4 chains, single crochet, again 4 chains. You're going to do a single crochet. Insert. That's it. So now we have these 3 rings here. I'm going to make a chain over there. After that, I'm going to again go for that puff stitch. So yarn over, insert into the circle, pull it like that, 1. Do it again, yarn over, pull a loop, 2. Yarn over, pull a loop, 3. Yarn over, pull a loop, 4. Now just like in puff stitch, come all the way there, but over here where you inserted your finger, just make a single crochet and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now insert into this single crochet once again and just create a single crochet there. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, single crochet into that. Into this space, if you see, into this space, just have to insert, make a single crochet. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, something is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you again get into that first single crochet and make another single crochet here. So you have 3 like here, like the first one. So with that you're done here. You will have to chain 1 and then do the puff stitch once again. So you keep doing it around 7 times. So 2 are done. You will have to do it 7 times. Yarn over into the circle. Second time, third time, fourth time. Now come all the way into this and you get that loop at the back, the first one, then do a single crochet like this. Then you go for that chain 3, 4, and again the first one you make a single crochet, then you chain 4 again, 2, 3, 4, and you insert into this and make a single crochet again. So you keep repeating this. Okay, now so I've completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such stitches. So I can accommodate one more. You can have 6 or 7 according to the thickness of your yarn. So for this yarn it's slightly thick, so I can have up to 6 such puff stitches. So I have done a chain 1 here after those 3 chain 4s. Now I'm going to do the last one. yarn over into the circle, pull that loop like that, yarn over again, second time, third time, and fourth time. Now this will be my last puff stitch there. Going to bring it all the way into all of those slowly, and over here taking that last strand and doing a single crochet there. Now chain 4, 2, 3, 4 and into this. I'm doing a single crochet into this. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4 and again single crochet into this. So one good thing about crochet is it's so forgiving. Even if you make mistakes, you can go back, remove a few stitches and correct it. So chain 4, again single crochet into that first single crochet. With that it's coming to an end. I'm doing a chain 1 there. Now, so after this, how do we complete it? So you can get into this stitch. This stitch, the first one there, single crochet into that space. If you can see, going there and doing a slip stitch. So how do you do a slip stitch? Just pull that and pull it into that loop as well. So with that your snowflake is ready. So I'm going to just, you can hide this yarn. I'm going to cut this and this part can be hidden. So this is how my snowflake looks like. So you can just sew this into this. You can hide it inside the puff stitch so that it is not visible outside. And you can cut this. So this is how my snowflake looks like. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Also tap the bell icon to get notifications. If you have any questions or a stitch that's confusing you, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!